me start by welcoming everyone to our presentation today. Who am I? My name is Rick Anderson. I'm the founder and CEO of We Envision IT. Today we will take a look at Active Desktop Calendar from Exeter Computers. What is Active Desktop Calendar? It is a time management program that it is a fully customizable calendar that features notes, tasks, alarms, and contacts. And all these information can be viewed on your desktop by blending it with your existing wallpaper. What Active Desktop also can do is that you can organize your data in layers and share them with other people on a local area network. It has to be said, it has to be a local area network, an organization and an office in the same place where you have 10-15 users on a local area network. Because if you do it over long distance, that means different locations over the internet, then a lot of security factors plays in, like your firewall, like reliability in regards to the connections and so on. So therefore it works best on a local area network. Also, what you can do in regards to the Active Desktop Calendar, the program can be integrated with Outlook, and that means that your appointments and tasks that you are updating in your Outlook can then be displayed on your desktop via this integration. Also, what you're able to do is synchronizing your PDA devices like the Pocket PC, Palms, smartphones with Outlook. And then through that, you can synchronize your Active Desktop Calendar with the same mobile devices, because if you're integrated with Outlook and Outlook can synchronize with your mobile devices, that way you get a synchronization, and that is what they call here a side effect. So let's go in and take a look at specifications. Specifications. It is very important to know exactly what comes with Active Desktop Calendar. As said before, it blends the data with your desktop wallpaper so it's easy to access and overlook. Also, the calendar, the notes, the task, alarms, and contacts can all be present on the screen. You can divide it up over multiple screens, so it is very intuitive. Many of the recurrent patterns for notes and alarms can be displayed, but also very quickly be updated and reused and copied so that it can be used in multiple instances and easy to update. That's very important in regards to the notes and alarms. Also, the inactive desktop interface makes it easy to get to. It makes it easy to look up. It makes it easy to update. It just makes it easy to have running in the background, especially if you're doing other stuff. Fully customizable, it makes it easy for each single user to customize it so that it works with them. Depends on if you have one monitor or two monitors and how you want it placed on your screen so that it makes it easy for you to do your job. Data export and import is very important, that not just that you can share data over a network, is that you can export the stuff that you have and also import stuff that we receive through files that can be sent via email, and that could be in comma separated file formats and in iCal formats and so on. So that is possible. Also, it includes preset calendar information in regards to each country. That means if you are dealing with other countries, you can load their holidays and thereby see when it is optimal to get in contact with people, when people are at work. Very important, and you can then make your decisions and planning much better. Dual and multiple monitor systems supported, and that's what I have mentioned before, is that you can set up the Active Desktop Calendar either on one single monitor or multiple, where I've seen up to 4 or 5 monitors where you have different pieces of your information displayed on different monitors, and so that it's easy for you to overlook, update. Then we have group calendar data in layers. That means that when you have multiple people sharing their calendar and their tasks, that makes it easier for you to plan as an organization and a company when you can do that as a group calendar. And also that goes to the next, where you share these data layers on a local area network. And that has to be said, it has to be a local area network that you're doing it on. If you're doing it over long distances, multiple locations, it gets much more difficult called, and the possibility to have corrupted data is much higher because you do not have a dedicated server that serves you. Then direct connection with Outlook is that if you have Outlook and you want that to be integrated with your active desktop calendar, you can do so. But also some people has the Google Calendar instead. You can do that too. And then automatic data backup. It's so essential because that's where people many times fails, where they do not back up. If it's a human interaction that has to make it happen, then people forget. And especially when you're sharing data, because when you're sharing data over a local area network, you can end up sometimes with corrupted files. It is very important that you can then go in and restore from a backup so that you can continue. Many icons available for making notes, and that means that you can have different icons placed on one monitor or different monitors. Get to there so you can make notes in regards to your actions. That could be in sales/support environments. It's very important that you can make notes and that you can schedule very quickly. Of course, the 32 bits now is also available as a native 64-bit version because more and more computers are 64-bit based, but still you can work on old computers and now also on newer computers where you will need a 64-bit version. That's it. That was the specification in regards to the active desktop. So let's go in and take a look at movies that will come in regards to the active desktop calendar. So let's take a look at the next videos that is coming up in regards to the active desktop calendar. The first video that comes up will take a look at how you get to their website and download the program. The second will be how you install the program and set it up very quickly. Then the third is the registration of the program. Fourth will be the navigation of the program, how you get around, where you find stuff so that you easily can navigate the program and do the customization that you would like to do with the program in regards to your setup. Then the desktop layout pick, that means that how do you want to see it displayed on your wallpapers in regards to your desktop, and here we'll look at also how you do it in regards to one monitor and multiple monitors. Then number 6 is the data integration wizard, and that is how you want it to be integrated in regards to Outlook, and you can also make it integrated with Google Calendar. We'll go in and take a look at that. Number 7 is the settings, the general settings in regards to all the features that is in the program in regards to the task, calendar, contacts, and what can be set up automatically, what can be turned off, and so on. But all that we'll go through in video number 7. In number 8 is the setup of data layers. That means if we want to share our data with others, how do we do that, and what kind of layers do we want to have set up on our computer. So we'll do that in number 8. So that is all the videos that still is coming up in regards to the active desktop. But the first one, as I said, will be the downloading of the program, and I'll see you on the other side in another video where I'll go through how you download that program. I'll see you then.